Today I will demonstrate provisioning of new infrastructure in GCP. Here I am hosting the simple web application, NGINX web application. So in this project, basically I will spin up and burn down the environment on the regular time basis. I will implement it in this by using Terraform and GitHub action and GCP. Using GCP I have implemented these applications. So basically I have used code, have keep it in my Terraform repository, and by CI/CD I'm using GitHub action, and for the infrastructure provisioning I'm using Terraform, and I'm deploying the complete Nginx application by using this repository. Let's start with creating the clusters. So you can see, guys, I'm using prerequisites GCP clusters. So currently there is no GCP cluster is available. Just I will start creating the GCP cluster now. So I need to pass the parameter here. So currently I'm creating the GKE cluster. I'm adding the project ID and cluster. So what cluster I'm creating? So I'm adding here, and the reason I'm using US West one, and machine type I'm using E2 small, and I'm creating the one node. Start triggering this pipeline. Once I start triggering the pipeline, automatically this will be triggered. This started triggering this pipeline now. Now we started configuring and creating and deploying the application. So within 5 minutes you can able to create the application. Let's wait for 5 minutes. It's created. Now kubectl configuration is done. So after that, here I am installing my Nginx applications. So my application I kept in my Docker hub. So I'm using the tag, I'm fetching the application, and I have installed my application. So you can see now I will refresh this terminal, so we can able to see the cluster is created. My Nginx cluster is created. Now I will go and check application is deployed or not. So I will using external IP and using the port number 32603 port forward. I will log into the my Nginx server. See, so I have installed complete Nginx application is installed. So that in that Nginx mention I mentioned thought machine application installed like that. So successfully application is installed now. So we can see the workloads. All application installed, all daemon set, service IP and proxy, everything is installed now. Now I will try to destroy this application. Again I will rerun the pipeline. Again I will rerun the pipeline with destroy command. Instead of creating, I'm destroying. Again I will add the what are the where I'm creating project ID and type of the cluster name and reason where I used and what is the size of machine I used and how many nodes I created. That if it is I'm rerunning this, it will within 2 minutes it will be triggered automatically. It start triggering now. Now destroy command is started. Now it's automatically destroy the complete application with Kubernetes cluster in the time on the time. So now configuration is going on, initialization is completed. Terraform destroy is started now. Now we can see currently this all the elements will be destroyed. So total two application is destroying. One is application, one another one is GKE cluster. Both will immediately will destroy. It started destroying now. It is completed successfully. Everything is clean up now. So job is completed. It took 9 minutes for the destroying the application. For creating it take 12 minutes and destroying it take 9 minutes. So now we can see in the cluster. I will refresh the page now. So that's completely destroyed now. There's nothing. I will verify the application as well. So we are unable to access. So because completely our application is destroyed, so it will be show an error now. So based on our time being, we can deploy the application and we can destroy the application. So that I am showed in this video, complete video. So the code is available in Terraform code. I have added in this my GitHub repository. We can use that one. So here creating the cluster, I'm using my gke.tf, and backend I'm storing the my Terraform state file. In order to track the complete application, I'm using the Terraform state file. So thanks for watching this.